have here your, oh, this is a Steady, yep, Steady tools. And I'm not yet sponsored with Steady. I bought this with my own money. Okay, but yeah, Steady, I'm ready if you're ready. Okay, but yeah, Steady tools, and I bought a, what is this, man? I forgot it. I've ordered it, but yeah, this is a Scriber chisel, and also a handle. Yeah, so this is different, so you need to buy this and also this one separately so that you can use it. Okay, and this is a chisel of a round of 0.1 millimeter. Okay, and yeah, you also need this one. So I bought this because when I'm doing something or making a separate or a panel line, I am only using a hobby knife. Yeah, I'm only using a hobby knife, and I've started to see that it's very thin, very, very thin, and also very dangerous because you don't have a guide, or yeah, when you're using this one, and very pointy. Okay, so it's very dangerous for using to make some panels, and it's nice but not so nice. Yeah, nice but not so nice. I don't know what is that, but yeah, much better if you have a chisel. So I'm having it because I really want to have a, when I'm there are some parts of the kit that I really want to have a panel line, but yeah, I'm not doing a new panel line. Okay, just want to dip some already made panel line areas, and also some areas that really needs a panel line, because there are some surface that is not so deep, and I really want to make it bulge out so that we can really see it. Yeah, so let's have this first, because this is the 0.1 millimeter. I just forgot how much I bought this. Yeah, because this tool, man, is already lying for over 3 months right here in my man cave, because yeah, as you know, I've been in not a hiatus, but yeah, I just get burned out on building kits. Okay, so boo. Okay, so to open this one, oh, that's it. Very safe, man. That's very safe, and a very nice chisel. And this is a 0.1 chisel. It's very thin, and yeah. Okay, and it's very nice. Okay, so we can get it. Can we? Oh, okay, we can. Oh, this. Oh, I get amazed, because yeah, a very secure kind of case right there. And then this one, so yeah, there's nothing, and they have, of course,